Today we're going to look at how to fit the external flue to all Warmflow Agentis external models. The kit comes with the appliance as standard. Included in the kit is a gasket, terminal elbow, short extension and external terminal, weather seals and the backing plate. There's 3 flue orientation options: left, right and back. Firstly, remove 4 8mm nuts from the gasket. Place the terminal elbow on the studs, secure by replacing the 4 8mm nuts and tightening. Next, remove the vent on the side, simply pushes out. Place the banking plate over the elbow. This will secure once the external terminal is in place. Then fit the weather seal to the external terminal. This will need to be adjusted as the terminal is being tightened into position. Push the terminal into the elbow. Use the 2 hex screws to secure the terminal into the backing plate. And now the flue is installed.